Look, I'm gonna say this now, god dang. If he can't get me right today, man, I'm finding me a new exhaust shot. I'm putting on everything I love. Don't make no sense, bro. For real, for real. The cons of getting straight pipe on your car now. Gonna stay here. They're like my 4th time up here too. It ain't even his problem. Like, these exhaust shake so much when it vibrate, bro. What good, YouTube? So as y'all seen, man, I had to come up here and get my exhaust done again. Like I said, man, this is one of the cons of having straight pipe exhaust, man. It's cool and all when it comes to your car being loud, but think about it. Your car being loud and it gets with all the vibration, right? So that's causing your car, my pipe's literally shaking like this. You know what I'm saying? So that time of me going, he put a wider bracket in the back to hold up the pipe. He also welded another little thing bracket in the middle of the pipe and put a washer on one of the exhaust hangers to keep the exhaust from shifting over. Because basically that's what it was doing. It was shifting over the whole time, and it was causing the exhaust to break because it was shifting over and hitting the rear end differential, and that was causing the exhaust to break, man. So hopefully right now, we don't have no more problems out of this exhaust until we do what we have planned for the future for this car. But when I was coming off that the ramp just then, bro, I straight something under my car so goddamn bad, but I hope it ain't nothing bad. But it sounded like my flow caved in, but when I came up that guy, but I ain't even gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? He was mad kind of too, though. You know what I'm saying? Cause like this is like they were like my 4th or 5th time for real going for the same exact problem. So he was so mad he didn't even put wood on the ramps this time, bro. And I forgot to goddamn mention it by the time I was up there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we gonna try this out and hopefully that be the problem, man. Put this seatbelt on. Hopefully this be the problem, man. Hopefully he fix the problem. I mean, but we're gonna put our foot in it a little bit so we can know for sure it's fixed. You know what I'm saying? But yo, I just left there. I am tired, but I just got all too, bro. So y'all gotta bear with me, man. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully they fix, bro. Cause that rattling jump, boy, that jump for the birds, boy. That jump make your car sound raggedy for real. As I said in my past videos, y'all already know what I'm talking about. Goddamn, pull up and cut the car off real quick. Don't even let that guy idle no more. So hopefully we can start back letting the car idle when we pull up places, man. I'm gonna let that car right here go a little bit. Gonna give it a little gas, man. Gonna give it a little gas, man. I had to get up out of it because it was spinning, man. I ain't wet out here. You know what I'm saying? Can't really do too much. Can't really go too crazy. And my traction control on, so y'all know how that is when y'all leave the traction control on and they try to spin. But yo, though, we just gonna pray this it, man. Know what I'm saying? Hope for the best. But like, this is one of the cons, though. One of the cons of even touching your exhaust from factory, man, is, man, y'all think it's like sweet to like do stuff like this to your car, but bro, you do stuff like this, man, you gonna start regretting stuff because you gonna spend more money than what you spent to even start touching it. I promise you. Since I got this car, bro, since I done did the exhaust, man, I done been at an exhaust shop like, I want to say at least, I can't even count on 2 hands how many times I done went to the exhaust shop, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's like, these cars are already sent out from factory to get the best out of them. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much the best out of them from factory. When you go to touching stuff, everything else start to mess up, bro. I kid you not, everything started to mess up, bro. I did my exhaust, man. That was like one of the worst mods I done did on my car so far, is my freaking exhaust, bro, because that sent me to the shop more than anything. But I ain't complaining though, because the pros of it, you know what I'm saying, it loud, you know what I'm saying, get you a little attention, you get a lot of compliments, you know what I'm saying, things like that in that nature, man. And then you just get to hear the beautiful sound like this, like you live for stuff like that. You got a V8, man, your car gotta sound like that, bro. Like, then you got the exhaust pops. See if I can make it pop real quick in eco mode. Like those little exhaust pops, bro. Live for stuff like that. That's like the pros of having work, like just stuff like that, bro. Like, I will tell you though, the pros outweigh the cons though, for sure. If I would have had it in track mode, that bit would have been in the marching band. Like, that bit would have been popping like crazy. Sound like I had a whole snare drum they got, man. But yeah though, man, like, when you start touching the exhaust though, like, cause a lot of folks ain't gonna tell you, there's always some cons to everything you do. Like, it's cons that I put these kind of wheels with tires on my car. Cons for me putting these kind of tires on my car, I can't really get loose like I want to. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let me see if I can make it pop. Pop it a little bit. That's how you go. But this is one of the, oh, there you go. I'm about to say, this is what I was talking about, how my car don't want to be switching with the pedal shifter sometimes, but it just did it. Sometimes it do it, sometimes it don't. And that's 12 right there. You know what I'm saying? Put this up, bring some light through here. But yeah, like, these tires, I can't really burn out like I want to. Can't really slide like I want to. Can't really get loose like I want to. Like, it's a lot of cons with a lot of situations, like, you know what I'm saying? But we didn't come here for that. We came for the exhaust, and I just wanted y'all to see. But I just wanted y'all to see, like, it's a hassle, man, with these kind of cars. Like, once you start modding them like this, man. Hey, barely gotta about break that mother to switch it. Yeah, man. I'm just gonna hope this fix the situation, man. I'm gonna just start talking about it because I know it's gonna fix it. I just know it's gonna fix it, you feel me? I told him he won't see me again until I get the new exhaust, you feel me? So, it is what it is, man. I know, like, doing stuff like that, you can't never get everything perfect, but it gotta be done right though at the end of the day, man. Like, keep getting my service though. But I've been rocking with dude for so long though, you know what I'm saying? Like, ever since I started driving, like 17 years old, he did my first Crown Vic exhaust. time he fixed my exhaust shoe, it didn't even take me that long. I went around the corner and my jump was broke again. So sound like it holding up. I don't hear no rattling right now. You don't hear no rattling, so we should be straight. But yeah, like, since we doing this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all comment down below what y'all want to see next. Cause like I said, I'm trying to go up for 2020, man. We finna go up for 2020. And I just want y'all to know I'm really trying my best to do everything I can possible, man. Like, try to continue to give y'all content. You know what I'm saying? Even if it's not daily content, I still just want to be able to give y'all content. You know what I'm saying? 2 to 3 times out of the week. Right now I've been uploading. I only miss one day this week to upload. But I done gave y'all like 4 videos this week already, let alone. So I've been grinding. And I noticed a little something like you gotta continue to upload, continue to be consistent, right? But I also need everybody to make sure they like the video. If you like the video, man, make sure you like the video. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you comment on the video so I know, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all gotta goddamn let me know y'all rocking with the video so I know what kind of content to make y'all. You know what I'm saying? Slight pull real quick. Slight little pull, man. I gotta do stuff like that to make sure that the exhaust gonna hold up. Cause I know that's what be making the exhaust break. Be goddamn letting it do that jump. They been twisting, boy. Even in the rain, even in the rain, even in the wetness. Oh, I see me a Charlie. It's a heavy goddamn. It's a lady in there though. Yeah, I thought I had me a little competition, man. Whoever in there driving slow, they don't want no smoke. They don't want no smoke for real. They still over there in the slow lane, goddamn. Y'all need to be telling me what kind of content y'all want to see. Cause I got a couple bangers though. I know for a fact I got some bangers that I'm waiting to drop. But I got on the way. I know y'all gonna rock with them. I think I got like 3 videos, and they finna be another one, or this gonna be the 3rd video. But I just wanted y'all to know in this video, like, folks really they ain't really gonna be explaining to y'all what we go through with these loud exhausts. Everybody want loud exhausts, but don't know what comes behind it or what comes with it. You know what I'm saying? Because it ain't that simple. It ain't all glitter and gold. I know I ain't the only person that go through these problems. I know for a fact. They're gonna be it for this video. God dang, I'm finna start another little video up for y'all real quick. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna go from there, man. But like I said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you tune into the next video. It's gonna be lit. I'm telling you now. I don't want you to hear from nobody else. I'm telling you out of my mouth. And the next video gonna be lit, man. See y'all, man.